The Agenda panel. You can manage both your personal and company calendars from this panel. The colored dates indicate available days with open jobs. By hovering over these days, you can see how many jobs are open. The company calendar has the same features. Here we see the red indication of overdue jobs. Right-clicking on the date will open the job list menu. Clicking on the job reference will open that job directly. This menu also shows the statuses, suppliers, and deadlines for the open jobs. Another feature of the Agenda panel is managing your availability. You can choose to be unavailable on specific days or holidays by clicking on the Not Worked button. Or you can choose to change a previously unavailable day to available by clicking on the Worked button. Click here to advance the calendar by 1 month. Or here to advance by 3 months. A more detailed calendar overview can be found by clicking on Details. This planning tool will be looked at in more detail later.